Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Don't worry, sweetheart. Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" if you need anything.
Okay, Mom. I'll try. My first day. I hope I don't get lost.
Good morning. Good morning. You must be new here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, this is my first day.
Go straight down this hallway, then turn left. Your classroom is room 105.
Straight, then left. Room 105. I can do this.
So many students. I feel so small.
Left or right? I don't remember.
That boy looks lost. I should help him. Room 105. Is this it? I can't tell. Whoa! What was that? This way. Maybe? It's so quiet here. I think I went the wrong way. I'm lost. I'm really lost. Mom said, "Just ask for help. I can do that."
Excuse me. Maybe she can help me. Hello there. Can I help you with something?
Excuse me, can you help me? I can't find my classroom.
Of course. That was very brave of you to ask. Look, here's a map of the school. Let's find your classroom.
My classroom number is 105.
Ah, room 105 is upstairs on the second floor.
It's on the second floor.
Upstairs. Second floor. Okay. Go up these stairs, turn right, and it's the third door.
Thank you so much. I understand now. Up the stairs, turn right, third door. I've got this. 2 staircases. Oh no, which one is right? Hi. You look a little lost. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I'm trying to find room 105.
I'm going that way too. Follow me. Thank you.
I'm Ravi, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ravi. I'm Mia. Don't worry, this school is really big. Everyone gets lost at first.
How do you remember where everything is? Easy, Tang. Just look at the signs on the wall. See? They show the room numbers.
Oh! Room 100, 101, 102. I see it now.
See? You're learning fast.
Maybe I can handle this school after all. We're almost there. Room 105 should be close. Is this it? Is this it?
Can we help you? This is room 203, not 105. You're one floor too high. No problem. Room 105 is right downstairs, first door on the left.
That was embarrassing. Downstairs, first door on the left. Got it, thank you.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes on the first day.
Room 105. Finally! Welcome! You must be our new student.
Yes, sorry I'm late. I got a little lost.
That's all right. Asking for help was the smart thing to do.
Everyone's looking at me.
Good morning!
Thanks for helping me, Mia. Anytime.
You're doing great. Just relax.
Today's lesson: English for everyday situations.
This could actually help me lot.
These phrases will help you talk to anyone, anywhere in school. Everyone, repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Now try. Where is the? Where is the?
Where is the?
Ravi, can you try a full sentence?
Yes, I think I can do it now. Oh, excuse me. Where is the library?
Excellent. Well done.
See? You're a natural.
Next phrase.
I am new here. Try this. How do I get to the cafeteria?
How do I get to the cafeteria?
It's downstairs, past the library.
Downstairs, past the library. Got it.
Left, right, straight, upstairs, downstairs, head, ho. Use your hands to remember.
Left, right, straight, upstairs, downstairs.
And if someone talks too fast, just say, "Can you say that again, slowly?"
That phrase saved me earlier.
You're learning English you can actually use every day.
Maybe I really can survive this school. break time already? Come on, let's go get lunch.
Where is the cafeteria exactly? Go downstairs, then turn left.
I'll save you a seat. See you there.
Downstairs, then left.
Whoa, slow down.
Wait, this doesn't look right. The library? I went the wrong way again.
Okay. Stay calm. Just ask for help.
Excuse me, Miss Emma.
Yes? What do you need?
Can you tell me where the cafeteria is, please?
What a polite question. It's just across from the office. Go back down this hall, then turn right. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're doing wonderfully today.
Across from the office. Got it.
I found my own way this time.
Finally, the cafeteria. Ravi! Over here!
I got lost again, but I found my way.
See? You still made it. That's what matters.
How do I even order food here?
Just say, "Can I have a sandwich, please?" Can I have a sandwich, please? Excuse me, can I have a sandwich, please?
Here you go.
Thank you so much. It worked. I did it. Nice job, Ravi. Oh no, I dropped it. Just ask, "Can I have another straw, please?" Excuse me, can I have another straw, please?
Sure, here you are. Thank you.
You're speaking so much more now. You know what? School isn't so scary anymore. Today I learned that English helped me survive my very first day at school. And I made a new friend too.
And there's still so much more to learn, Taif. Together.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.